just a one. Whoopsie.
If I were I would change the pass.
I want see 150.
We have it.
So it's almost the end of the Guinep season here in Jamaica, and I recently found out that it possesses a whole heap of health benefits. So before the season is over, I decided to make a video for you guys to discuss the health benefits of Guinep. By the way, do you know what Guinep is? If you don't, in some countries, people may call it Kenepa, Aki, which they call it in Barbados, and Mammon, which is the name for it in Spanish. Well, if you know of any other name, yeah, share the knowledge with me now and let me know in the comment section. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Chanel, aka No Mediocre 876, and on this channel I do health, travel, food and lifestyle videos. So if you're new and you haven't subscribed as yet, hit that subscribe button right now down below, and turn on your post notification bell. When you turn on your post notification bell, you won't miss out on any video I post on the channel, and trust me, you won't want to miss out. So click it right now. So as stated earlier, we'll be discussing the health benefits of the fruit Guinep, and also we'll be talking about the leaves that we get from the tree, the health benefits, which can be used to make a tea. So all of this knowledge which I'll be sharing with you guys, I recently learned about them, right? So before we even go into discussing the benefits, I want to show you the seed of the Guinep. Typically, it's covered with a pulp. So this is how it would look when you remove the pulp. So it's hard. Alright, so with that being said, parents don't usually give Guinep to their children without monitoring them. For me, based on my memory, I recall when I was a child, both my father and mother, when they were giving me Guinep to consume, they would crack the seed. So you can actually crack it with your teeth, right? Even though it's very hard. It won't damage your teeth or anything. And they would also monitor me even though they crack it, just to ensure that I don't swallow the seed. However, both the pulp and the seed can be consumed. Some people, they chew it to reap all the health benefits. So let me know how you consume your Guinep. Do you just suck away the pulp and throw away the seed, or do you chew it all and swallow it? Without further ado, let's get making this Guinep leaf tea and talk about the benefits that we can get from consuming Guinep. The Guinep tree is planted as a sucker or seed, which takes up to 5 to 10 years before it produces fruits. This small fruit varies in taste. It can be sweet, tangy, and stamy. It has a similar appearance as lychee, which Jamaicans refer to as Chinese Guinep. However, the Jamaican Guinep fruit has a smooth green color skin and a light yellow to an orange pulp. This exotic seasonal fruit is grown in a tropical climate where its harvest is most copious in the summer. The fruit is mostly grown in the Caribbean, Africa, Florida, and other locations with a warm climate like South and Central America, Hawaii, the Philippines, and even Israel. The Guinep fruit grows as clusters, containing 12 or more on one stem on a tree called Mammon CEO. It's a part of the Sapindaceae family, and its scientific name is Melicoccus bijugatus. The name of the Jamaican Guinep fruit differs in each country it is grown. For example, it is called Spanish lime, Mamoncillo, Aki in Barbados, and Kenepa in Puerto Rico. Some of the health benefits that Guinep is known to possess includes number 1, high in vitamin A and C. It boosts the immune system, where vitamin A reduces the formation of urinary stones. Number 2, it contains high levels of tryptophan and lysine. This reduces blood pressure due to the amino acids present, but can also be a sleep tranquilizer and mood stabilizer that helps to prevent anxiety, depression, and insomnia due to the production of serotonin caused by tryptophan. Number 3, produces fiber and ferulic acid. This assists with constipation and intestinal issues, as well as lowering cholesterol. Number 4, it contains phenolic compounds. These compounds, which are present, act as antioxidants that prevent cardiovascular diseases and stroke. Number 5, it's a good source of iron. It prevents anemia, where it increases the production of hemoglobin. Number 6, it aids in weight loss. This is so because it is low in calories and high in fiber. Therefore, it makes people feel fuller for longer. Number 8, it can assist with diarrhea. A quick tip is roasting the seeds, then adding honey, which will assist with diarrhea. As stated before, not only the fruit is nutritious, but the leaves are too. The Guinea tree leaves can be boiled or brewed as a tea. The tea is good for intestinal issues like peptic ulcers and stomach aches. With that being said, cheers to all the benefits that you and I will get from eating Guinea fruit and drinking tea made from the leaves. If you know of any other benefits that we can get from consuming Guinep, please share it in the comment section. Also, share this video so others can know about the benefits of Guinep. Remember to like this video and subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. I vow to never be mediocre. You should also vow to never be mediocre. Cheers.